This video will explain the problem of referring data to other workbooks in Microsoft Excel. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's dive in the video. What if you need to refer to cells in multiple workbooks frequently? You could, for example, create a workbook that summarizes data from multiple workbooks. The other workbooks are updated regularly, so you must keep up with them. The summary workbook should be updated. How much time would that take? If the information from the values would always be the same because the other workbooks were linked to the summary worksheet, will be automatically updated. Reference another workbook. You create a link when you reference an internal workbook in your worksheet. I'll explain the procedure to you, and it's one of the easiest way to link to another workbook. 1. Start by opening both workbooks, the destination and source workbooks. 2. Select the cell in the destination workbook where you wish to add the reference. 3. Put an equal sign in the box. 4. Choose the source worksheet, then the cells you want to reference. 5. Press the Enter key. 6. You'll be taken back to the destination workbook automatically. If the data in the source worksheet is updated, the data in the destination workbook will be updated as well. When modifying data in the source worksheet, I recommend keeping both the source and destination workbooks open. If the destination workbook is closed, it may not be updated correctly. Reference a defined range in another workbook. If the source workbook has a defined range name, you can link to the entire range of the source workbook. 1. Open both the source and destination worksheets. 2. Select the cell in the destination workbook where you wish to add the reference. 3. Put an equal sign in the box. 4. Choose the source workbook, but not a particular cell. Select Switch Windows on the View tab in the Window group to select the source workbook, or press Alt-Tab on your keyboard. To pick the correct worksheet, you may need to choose Tab multiple times. 5. Press F3 to bring up the Paste Name dialog box. 6. Select the range to link to from the Paste Name list, then OK. You'll be automatically redirected to the destination worksheet, and the entire range will be linked. Security alerts. When you open a worksheet with connections to other workbooks, Excel may display a security warning message that says automatic updates of links has been disabled under the ribbon. To continue working in the workbook, select Enable Content. A source worksheet has been updated without opening the destination workbook. You will receive a message saying the workbook contains links to one or more external sources that may be hazardous. If you trust the links, update them to get the most recent data. Otherwise, you can continue to work with the information you have. Then it will present you with 3 options, each of which you must select. Option 1. Update. Option 2. Don't update. Option 3. Help. Don't panic if you get a notice like this. Select Update if you want to proceed with updating the current worksheet, or press Don't Update if you don't want to. However, exercise extreme caution when deciding whether or not to upgrade. If columns or rows have been added to the source workbook since the link was formed, the cells in the destination workbook may relate to the incorrect cells. If this happens, save the workbook before closing it, then reopen it and choose Don't Update instead. It's also possible that you'll need to recreate the connection. Break a link. You can remove the link to an external worksheet at any time. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Select Edit Links from the Queries and Connections group on the Data tab. 2. Select the link you wish to break in the Edit Links dialog box, then select Break Link. You might also copy and paste the link containing cell as a value on top of the same cell. Copy the cell and then use the context menu, right-click, or the drop-down menu on the Paste button on the Home tab to select values from the drop-down menu. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in referencing data to workbook process. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.